Hi guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Amy, or Amylouise. If you are new here, please do hit that subscribe button. I am a makeup artist of 13 years, which means that I am old as sin. But today I am going to show you how to do this quite soft yet bold smoky eye. I feel like this is going to be really popular for special events over the next year. Something that is quick and easy. I know that because of COVID, people are finally now it's starting to come to the end almost, sort of. People are able to book things and go places and actually kind of just like live their lives, but are also like financially, people are not having spare money to go to makeup artists and things like that for their makeup for these events. I know a few people are having weddings and they're like having the tiniest like amount of people there, and a lot of brides are doing their own makeup. I know that I've got a few proms booked in, and I know a lot of those are saying that their friends are all doing their own makeup because their parents just don't have the money to spend. They've been on furlough, they've been laid off, whatever it is. COVID has like sucked people dry. So I want to do like a few videos like over the next couple of months showing you really easy looks that you can do yourself at home, no matter what your budget, hopefully using stuff that you already have. Obviously the products I have you might not, but you can swap and change for stuff that are similar to try and get similar result or the same result. So today I am going in with the Zoeva Caramel Melange palette, and I've also got the ABH Noir single. If you've got a good black eyeshadow, use that. You don't have to use that one. And this is just a neutral palette. There's nothing too crazy about this. I'm sure most people have colours like these already in their collection. If you don't, you can use like bronzers and blush. Like these two here and this here I use as blush quite a lot, so you can use these like more blushy tones or bronzer tones. I'm using this today. This is a really nice bronzer tone. So yeah, as long as you've got like shades that are similar, it will work. So I have primed my eye with the Amylouise base. Use whatever you have that you like to use as an eye base. I know a lot of people like to use concealer or foundation. I don't, that's personal preference, but I'm using the Amylouise base. Now I'm going in with a Luxie 237 brush. It's just a tiny little brush here, and I'm taking that black shadow. Again, use whatever you already have. And I'm going to stamp this. Now you can see that this is a fluffy brush because I don't want like crazy black pigment. I want to go quite light, so you want a fluffy brush. And I'm just going to tap this into the socket of my eye, or the crease. So basically when you open your eye, it's kind of disappearing. You just want it to like slightly peek out over the top of that if you have hooded eyes. So I'm just tapping this on. I'm not being super precise about it. Just tap it on. So you can see when I'm looking forward, you can just about see it over the top of the crease of my eye. Now I'm going in with a Morphe M456, and I'm going in with this top shade just here, which is a pinky brown shade. It's called Aftertaste. You can use a blush, like a pinky, like nude brownie toned blush. I'm trying to like explain things in like the simplest of terms for people that are just getting into makeup and want to do this, that aren't like experts in makeup kind of thing. So you want maybe even So I have this by Beauty Bay. It's not exactly the same, but it's pretty similar. It's called Coral. I think these are £5. It's a blush, so you could use this on the eye and then on the cheeks too. Just like have a look through your makeup drawers and see what you have yourself. So I'm taking this brush and I'm just going to tap right on over where I've just put that black. Now this is going to dull down that black. It's going to turn it down a little bit, but you're still going to have that richness of the black there. So I'm just tapping that right on over. And anything fancy, I'm literally just tapping right where I put that black. Now I'm going to take a little bit more and I'm going to start to blend out the edges. So I'm just going to go to the edges, I'm going to tap around the edges, and then I'm just going to go in circular motions, just small circular motions, just around the edges of that shadow that we have just mixed. Just like that. So you will see that there's quite a strong line between the darkest and then the new shade that we've put and blended out. That's fine, we will work on that later. I'm now taking a Morphe Jaclyn Hill JH33. These are all fluffy brushes, and each one, I've just dropped my mirror, each one just gets that little bit bigger each time we go to the next brush. Okay, so with this brush I'm going in with Start Soft, which is right here. So you can see this is more pinky, this is slightly more brown, and it's lighter than the previous shade. And I've just dropped my mirror again. Okay, so with this brush we're just going to tap on over the edge of the previous shadow, and then we're going to go in circular motions again, just slowly building up that shade. We're gonna slowly blend it all together, and we're just keeping it quite rounded. And then just to finish it off, I'm just going to take the side of the brush and I'm just tapping over the entire area. And can you see how that has come along already? I'm now taking a Jessup 227 Luxe Soft Definer brush, and we're going to go in with Alchemy. Yeah, so again, the next lightest shade is still like kind of pinky brown tone, and we're going to do the exact same thing. So I'm going to tap the shadow around the outside of the eyeshadow and then going in circular motions. And each time we're blending, the brush is half on the previous shadow, half off the previous shadow, and that way you're going to get that blend really going. I'm going in with a Morphe M433, and I'm going in with the nude shade right here. Can we focus please? So just this shade right here. And honestly, if you've got a translucent powder that has coverage to it, you can use that. Yeah, this one would be great for that. Yeah, or just like a nude eyeshadow. So we're just gonna buff this right on those edges and really have the shadow melt into the skin. So we've got to this point, it's looking pretty good, but it's not perfect. So we're just going to go back to the very beginning, to that black brush. I'm using the Luxie 237. So we're going to go right back to the beginning. We're going to repeat all the steps that we've just done in the exact same way, just to re-intensify the colour. It'll work on the blend and we'll just get a better outcome. Okay, so we have gone back in, we have reblended, we've re-intensified. It's looking good. So now I'm gonna go in with Almost Burnt. I cannot read the gold writing under this lighting. So it's called Almost Burnt, just here. So we're just going in with Almost Burnt, and I'm literally just gonna take my finger and I'm just gonna tap it into the center of the lid, just like this. Look. So we're not being very precise, we're just tapping it on with the finger. Once you go on the lid like this, we're going to tap in just a little bit more, and I'm going to take it up and I'm just tapping really lightly up to the arch of my brow. This is not only going to give brow highlight, but it's going to give a more softer appearance. It's not so structured. And then I'm taking a Jessup 222 Luxe All Over shader brush. It's just a nice big fluffy brush, and I'm just gonna dust over like the brow arch to disperse that gold just that little bit more, because you don't want it too pigmented up there. And just tap over, make sure that your gold is where you want it. I've kept it to the center. I want the dark on the inner and outer, almost like a halo eye, but it's not. But darker inner and outer, and then your gold just goes right through the center and then up to your brow, and it just looks beautiful. This is just the L'Oreal Lash Paradise. Use whatever mascara you like. I have quite a lot that I actually really rate. Of course, you can leave it with just mascara, or you can add lashes. That is completely up to you if you want to learn how to put lashes on. I do have a video, I'll have it linked down below for you guys to watch. It's all my like tips and tricks on how to apply lashes. What I'm going to do is I'm going to go away, I'm going to film my base as a separate video, and then I will be back to finish off the lower eyes, add some lashes, and just finish off the look. So I'll see you in a second. Okay guys, I am back. The lip is Beauty Bay Freckle and NYX Urban Cafe lip liner, and the lashes are House of Boo Darcy, which just gorgeous, like hello. But yeah, that is the finished look. Like I said, if you want to check out how I did the base, there will be a video on Friday of that, so you can see that. But this is the eye look. It is soft, it is glam, it is bold, it is neutral. This would work well for a prom, for a wedding. You can change up the gold on the lid for a different color to match your outfit or your date's outfit. You can wear this like on an everyday if you want, if you're feeling a little bit glam, or you can use it for a special occasion. You can dress this up in like some fancy little like ball gown, or you can just wear like a nice top and jeans and still look effortlessly glam on a Wednesday, which is what I'm doing today. But yeah, that is everything. I hope you liked this video. If you want to see more of these like simpler videos, let me know. I'm definitely up for that. Like I said, I am hoping to keep up with the 3 videos a week, but because of work commitments I might have to drop down to 2. It is just getting a lot, honestly. But yeah, I'm trying my best to keep to 3 videos a week for you guys. I love these videos, and I'm actually filming 2 videos in one day to keep up that 3 in a week for you guys. So let me know what you think, and yeah, please hit that thumbs up button, hit the subscribe button. I'm trying to get to the 1k, like just get me to 1k please. But yeah, that is everything. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you on the next one. Bye.